Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Toyota Prius key fob. First, gather all key fobs you intend to program. Make sure your car battery is fully charged for a smooth process. Then, get into the driver's seat and close all doors, ensuring they are unlocked. Next, insert your key into the ignition and quickly remove it 2 times. This action should put your vehicle into programming mode. You'll know it worked when the door locks cycle, confirming entry. Remember, you have about 40 seconds to program each key fob once you're in this mode. Now take the key fob you want to program. Within 40 seconds of entering programming mode, simply press any button on the fob. The car's door locks should then cycle, confirming that the programming was successful. If you have more fobs, repeat this step for each one, ensuring you do so within the 40-second window. To complete the programming process, turn the ignition key to the on position. This action will take your vehicle out of programming mode and return the key fobs to normal operation. Finally, test all your newly programmed key fobs to ensure they lock, unlock, and start the car correctly. Also, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.